Right. Hi folks, are you able to hear me? Hi Jagan.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah. Everyone able to hear me, right? Okay, good.
Yeah,
So in yesterday demo class, we got chance to learn about why Tableau is good in the market comparatively other tools available. Like we got chance to compare Tableau tool we compared with other tools, the Tableau tool whatever available, Tableau we compared with Power BI we compared, and we got chance to compare with OVW, we chance to compare it. And we compared and we understand if I want to do some work in the Tableau, how we can do it. If I want to do same work in the Power BI, how we can do it. If we want to do same work in the OVW, how we can do it. We got chance to develop one small report. That report is department name wise salaries we developed. Department name wise salaries we developed the report, and we published it to the servers also, we published it. And then we realized one point, whatever we have the tools in the market, regular tools like OVI, Cognos, SAP BO, OVI, Cognos, SAP BO, these all tools are working, these all tools are working with the help of semantic layer. These all tools are working from any database we have it. From the database to we are trying to develop what we are developing semantic layer, we are trying to develop it. From the semantic layer they are trying to develop what? Reports, they are developing it. From the reports we are developing what? Dashboards, we are developing it. That's what is happening in these tools. But in the Tableau or Power BI, both the tools, we are going for any one database is available. From the database to directly we are trying to develop what is this? Reports we are developing. From the reports we are going to develop what? Dashboards we are going to develop it. So that's how we are doing in the Tableau and Power BI, and this is how we are doing in the other tools. And from the Gartner coordinates we realized like from last 5 years Tableau is in the first coordinate, in the latest coordinate, in the first coordinate, in the latest coordinate. And also we got chance to see this year Gartner coordinates, Tableau and Power BI are going in good competition mode. Power BI also giving good competition to the Tableau, whatever it is doing the functionality. Both are available in the latest position, and in the equal scale it is available. In the equal scale it is available. So that's what actually my second question was, who are the big competitor for this Tableau in the current market? That the answer is Power BI. These two questions only yesterday what we got chance to answer it, right? What are the two questions we answered yesterday? How Tableau different from other BI tools. We understand that one. Then who is the big big competitor for Tableau? We understand that one. That is Power BI is the current market. This guy is the big competitor. Now today we'll go and try to understand the next things. Tableau components, what are the things are available, and Tableau architecture, what is available. These are the two things we are going to concentrate. The first point in this one is Tableau can help anyone see and understand their data. That already yesterday we understand it. Even one layman, he don't know about anything computer. He don't know anything about computer. Still he can go and he can develop the report with little incremental of training. Okay, that much of easily we developed the report yesterday. connect almost any database. We have no limitations. We have no limitations. We can go and we can connect to any database, and we can go and we can see that one, right? Let us go and try to show that one. I'm opening your VM. In the VM only we have the Tableau. So let me open that VM. Yeah, it's going to take some time. Once it is opened, I can show that one what are the databases it is supporting. Okay, so the second point is available here, that is called as, what is this? We can connect to almost any database. You can go and you can connect it. Drag and drop and create the visualizations. So you want, let's say, pie chart, you want, let's say, line chart, or whatever you want it. Immediately within no time, with the drag and drop help only, we are going to do it. That means it is a what type of tool? UI, user interface. GUI, graphical user interface tool. There is no need of any coding here. And if you want to share with anyone, matter of one click, I can go and I can share to anyone. So I can develop very easily. I can connect to any database, and even one layman, you don't know anything about the computer, also you can go and you can develop it and you can share it. All the things you can do very easily. You can do with the help of Tableau. Now the second point is available. We have one thing that is called as VisQL. Viz stands for visualization. QL stands for SQL. Visualization plus SQL, both things together is equal to what? VisQL. VisQL. In the visualization, whatever we have the VIZ we taken, and SQL whatever we have the QL we taken, and we are saying as VisQL. So VisQL is the visual query language that translates drag and drop actions into data queries, and then express the data visually. VisQL delivers dramatic gains in people's ability to see and understand data by abstracting the underlying complexity of query and analysis. What is the meaning? I think this VisQL is a new word for all of us, because this is the patent language of Tableau. It is a patent language of Tableau. Regularly, whatever you are seeing the SQL is, it's not same as VisQL. Okay, but it looks similar to SQL, but not same as SQL. It's but similar to the SQL. Now, VisQL name why they given is, it is useful for the visualization. It is a visualization SQL. It is a visualization SQL. That is the reason from the visualization they taken the some characters, and from SQL they taken the some characters and they given this name. We are trying to drag and drop any one column. We are trying to drag and drop. We are trying to drag and drop any one column. We are trying to drag and drop. That column corresponding query will be created in the backend. The column corresponding query will be created in the backend. So that's what it is going to happen. Okay, anyhow, it is going to take some time to start this server. I think it's starting. Once it started, I can show that one. Okay, so this is whatever we have here. We know already yesterday I explained what it is, right? What it is, Jagan and Jabbar, what it is?
Tableau desktop.
Exactly, it is a Tableau desktop. What is the use of this Tableau desktop?
We're doing development, developing reports and dashboards here.
Exactly, doing the development mainly what? Development. If your job role is developer, then you are going to spend most of your time in this tool only. You are going to spend it. Most of your time we are going to spend in this tool only. You are going to spend it. Okay, now we have one more thing also available, that is called as here. That is called as here. What it is? Tableau server. Who is going to work on this Tableau server?
Admin.
Admin is going to work on this Tableau server. So if a job role is you are putting as admin, then most of your time you are going to spend with the Tableau server you are going to spend with. Most of your time you are going to spend with the Tableau server you are going to spend with. Okay, now if people understand, it is going to opening Tableau desktop. Each and every time whenever you are trying to drag and drop backend, what it is going to create? VSQL will be created, and because of the VSQL we are going to get the data. You dragged and dropped year column. Year column is coming from where? Database. From database it has to come means one query has to execute. That query, whatever it is executing, that is called as VSQL query. That is called as VSQL query. That we are seeing practically we are going to see where it is available. Now Tableau components are ecosystems or products. Whatever you are giving the name, all are one and same. Components, ecosystems, or what is this? Products. If you go to the Tableau website directly, that will be explained best for us. Let us say I am going for tableau.com. Tableau.com. Now, if you see here, first one, what is available here? Products. If I click on this products, there you can observe mainly they given here three things they given to you. What is this? Tableau desktop. What is this? Tableau server. What is this? Tableau online. These are the three products are main products. Main products. We know already yesterday we are going to create using what? Desktop. Once we created that, we are going to do where? We are going to publish into where? Tableau server or Tableau online. But any one combination only we are going to take it, sir. I am a poor customer. I have very little business. I cannot purchase the entirely Tableau server. I cannot maintain the one admin. I cannot purchase one big server. At that moment, I'll go with what? Tableau online. It is a cloud-based system. What you can skip here? Skip the hardware setup. Tableau online is a hosted Tableau server. Reliable, secure, and always what is this? Up to date. Use Tableau mobile for data on the go. You are skipping the hardware setup means what? Who is maintaining that hardware? Tableau guy is maintaining, just is giving one login to you, like Gmail. Gmail is what? Just we got the login. We don't know for Gmail what servers they are using, what RAM they are using, what hard disk they are using. We are least bother about it. If you are, let us say I want 100 GB of the data, I want it, storage I want it. You can go to the Google Drive and you can purchase that one. Further, he is using SATA hard disk, or he is using, let us say, SSD hard disk, or he is a 100 GB hard disk using, or 30 GB hard disk using. We are least bother about it. Tableau server means what? That is our headache. We have to go for keep data secure on your servers. Your servers means what? That is managed by me in my infrastructure, in my premises. Use Tableau mobile for the data on the go. Here also this facility is there, here also this facility is there. That means if you go and try to observe Android mobile or Windows mobile or iOS mobile, there is a Tableau app is available. Using the Tableau app, you can connect and you can see it. So what are the main three products we have it? Desktop, server, and online. So any customer is going to use, which are the two combinations? Desktop plus server, that is a one combination. Desktop plus online, that is a one combination. This is recommended for who are the customers? Small customers. Small customers will use this one. If it is a big customer, then you can go for what? Then you can go for dedicated Tableau server, we can go for it. Right, those 3 points only. First I am trying to document in the notes. If you go to your notes, I given here first point that is known as Tableau desktop. Tableau desktop is used to visualize and analyze the data, We are going to create a workbook. We are going to create what? Workbook. What is the meaning of this workbook is, you tell me one point. I am trying to open here MS Office Excel. Everyone aware of the Excel, right? Everyone aware of the Excel. Whenever I open the Excel,
Yes.
the terminology of the Excel, if you observe carefully, whatever it is opened, what it is called as? What it is called
Sheet.
as? Book 1.
Excel sheet.
Yeah, book 1. It is a book 1. And in the book, what is available? Sheet 1. Can I create here a number of sheets? Can I go and can I create it? I can go and I can create here a number of sheets. I can create it. Whatever terminology we have now here, it is called as book. Under the book, we have what is it? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, like that, right? Same terminology available even in the Tableau also. Same terminology available even in the Tableau also. Let us go and try to open the Tableau tool. I am trying to open now Tableau. So let us say I am going for file menu, then I am going for new. If I click on the new, whatever it is going to open for you, if you see shortly, what it is opened in the top, you can see the name. What is this? Book.
Book one.
Tableau terminology looks like similar to Excel terminology or not? And now I am trying to connect to the one database. I want to connect it. You can go to the which database you want to connect, Excel, test file, access, or you can go for whatever databases you want it. You can go and you can connect here. We have no limitations in the database. Next, down the line, today we are using the version, our latest version. It is available in the market is what? 10.2.0. 10.2.0. That is the latest version which is available in the market. If you want, you can go and you can see that also from the directly from Tableau website. Directly from Tableau website. TABLEAUESDALT. This is the sublink to download the softwares. Here you can observe what is the software link is available here. 10.2 server as well as 10.2 desktop. 10.2 Tableau desktop and Tableau server is available. Both are, what version is the latest? 10.2 is the latest. That's what we are seeing here. 10.2 we are seeing it. Okay, and this 10.2, whatever we have it, we can go and we can connect to these many databases. Down the line, 10.3 is coming. 10.4 is coming. What they are going to increase is this database connections will be increases. Today they are supporting, let's say, some 50 connections they are supporting. Suppose tomorrow one more database is came. As you know, suppose big data, it is invention. People are inventing some new databases. In that prospect, we got one new database, we got it. Then we are going to add that plugin also here. Right. So more changes will come in this database. Plugins will be coming into the picture. Right. Now, for example, I am going for here Oracle database. Your known database is ORCL. Your known schema is card. Your known password we are giving here Tiger. Then I am trying to click on here sign in. Then we are able to sign in. I can go and I can drag and drop the tables whatever available. I can go and I can drag and drop it. EMP, DPT, we drag and drop. Now what is the terminology here? That's what I am interested. Book. In the book, what is available in the bottom? Sheet. In the sheet, what we are going to develop is, we are going to develop the report, we are going to develop it. If you are trying to take here DNAME and you are trying to take here salary, DNAME wise salary, we got it. DNAME wise salary, we got it. DNAME wise salary, we got it. Okay, are you seeing this one? This is what the DNAME wise salary, whatever we got it. Now, this one, whatever we have it, here, what is the next option? New worksheet, sheet 2 we are going to get it. For example, I want to know job wise what is my salary expenditure. I can go and I can get the job wise salary expenditure. So this is the one sheet, and I can go and I can rename here in the bottom. This is what it is, dename wise. What is this? Salary. What is this? This is also I am renaming, it is job wise salary. Now we developed two sheets, we developed here. These two sheets we are going to integrate in one place, right? Where we are going to integrate is what it is? What it is? Dashboard. If you click on this dashboard, then whatever we have the sheets, those things are appearing here. I can go and I can drag and drop this one wherever you want it, and this one wherever you want it. So now both the things are came into place or not. You can adjust the sizes, you can adjust it here. You can adjust what? Size, you can go and you can adjust in this way. That means what is dashboard now? It is the integration of worksheets, n number of worksheets. Dashboard is nothing but integration of n number of worksheets. And the dashboard, do we have a facility for different pages? No, I don't have any pages here. One dashboard means one page only. If I have, let us say, options, I want it. Options dashboard, I want it. In the options dashboard, in one page, I want to see females, how they are absenting. That's what the one dashboard I want, one page I want the analysis. Second, I want location wise how people are absenting. Third one, I want males how they are absenting. Fourth, I want high level managers how they are absenting it, like the different pages I want it. Of course, in each page we have what again? Different reports are available. Suppose female dashboard, I may have leave type wise how they are absenting it. Sick leave, personal leave, maternity leave, like that. And one more report we may have in that one by saying they are absenting because of the local holidays. We have what, sir? National holidays are there, but apart from that one, we also give the respect to the local holidays, local festivals. Based on that one, how they are doing it. Something like that, different reports are available, let us say. Those all things I can go and I can integrate. Where is that? Story. Story is nothing but, let us say, I can go and I can integrate inside the story n number of dashboards. I can go and I can integrate it. At this point of time, I have only one dashboard. The dashboard I can go and I can drag and drop here. And if you want to add here, let us say, what is this? New story point. One more point I can go and I can add it. If I have dashboard 2 is available with you, if you have the dashboard 2 is available with you, you can go and you can drag and drop. What is this? Dashboard 2 also. If you want, you can go and you can add sheets also. You can add here directly. You can go and you can add what you can add? Sheets also you can add directly. N number of pages you can create it. What is this? Different pages. Inside these pages, what we can integrate it? N number of dashboards or n number of sheets. N number of dashboards or n number of sheets. Okay, this is the time to go for your architecture diagram. If you see your architecture diagram, yesterday in the demo slide, see this slide. What it is doing here, we are concentrating only on this part. We have here data warehouse. From this data warehouse, what we are trying to develop? Sheet or sheet 2. 2 sheets you can develop it, or a number of sheets you can develop it. That's what I mean. These all sheets I can integrate where? Dashboards. Dashboard or directly sheet also we can integrate into where? Story. That's it. If you know these three activities, how to develop the sheet, how to develop the dashboard, how to develop the story, then what is completed? Desktop is completed. What is completed? Desktop is complete. Desktop is complete means you can apply what type of jobs you can apply? Developer jobs you can apply. You can apply for the job of developer. Only one tool you are going to learn, desktop. The desktop is completed. You can apply for the developer job. And as a developer, you are going to do sheets are going to develop, dashboards are going to develop, stories are going to develop. One sample, very simple sheets we developed here. We developed one dashboard also. We developed here one story also. That's it. Right, now you got the clarity what is the meaning of this first point in the notes. First point in the notes. What is the meaning of this first point in the notes? Tableau desktop is used to visualize and analyze the data, creating what? Workbooks. Next, inside the workbook, what are creating? Sheets. Inside that one, dashboards, then stories. Tableau desktop can then publish these things into a either Tableau server or Tableau online. That also we are aware of it. If you go here, there is an option called as what is this? Server. In my case, already it is logged in with RRITEC user. Then I can go and I can publish this workbook with your name. Let us say I am giving your name. Morning 8 a.m. IST batch it is. Morning 8 a.m. IST batch it is. I am trying to publish it. If it is published, it will be available for throughout the globe, all the people. Matter of they can type the URL and they can access it. Matter of they can type the URL and they can access it. Now we are in the 8 a.m. IST. It is opened using what? URL. Okay. And if you go and try to see dname by cell, I am able to see that dname by cell. I am able to see it. Dname by cell. If I click, then I am able to see here. Now you can go and you can observe. I provide the database username and password, Scott and Tiger. Then it is going to show you the report. It is going to show it shortly. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now what is the meaning of your Tableau desktop? Each and every word we understand. Second is what? Tableau server. I given here Tableau server is nothing but what I am saying, sir. Own home. I want to purchase one own home means what I have to do? I want to invest a lot of amount. Same home I can take the rent. Same home, same 3 bedrooms, same furniture, same finishing, everything is same. But I can pay only what? Monthly I can pay, less amount I can pay and I enjoy the property. That is the difference between Tableau server and what is this? Tableau online. It is a own home, it is a rented home. End of the day, property is same, home is same. Right. So Tableau server is an online solution for sharing and distributing and collaborating on content created in the Tableau. Okay. Why it is saying as online solution is, it is end of the day, it is a URL based, right? Some TNS problem is showing. Okay, we'll see that one. End of the day, it is a online, right? If it is available online, can I go and can I share to this report to a number of users or not? Yes. I can go and I can create a number of users. I can import from big file also. I can import a number of users. Then I can provide here permissions. Who can access this one? Who cannot access that one? I can go and I can provide the permissions also. I can provide it. Here, where is our report? We published into the default. Here we have our report that is called as 8 a.m. IST. In this 8 a.m. IST, I can go and I can click on it. There is options called as what is this? Permissions. I can go and I can control who can view it, who can download, who can filter, who can modify like that, all the controls I can give it. So you people understand, in the Tableau server, we have the flexibility. Tableau server is an online solution for sharing and distributing and collaborating on content created in the Tableau in a secured mode. In a secured mode. In the desktop, we are not providing any permissions. In the desktop, we are not providing any permissions. Permissions all we are taking care where? In the server. That is the reason that is whom's responsibility? Admin responsibility. Okay, now we got the clarity on that one. Shareable means what? Create workbooks and views, dashboards and data sources in Tableau desktop and publish to a server. Secure. Secure means what? Manage access to published content to help protect sensitive data. Administrator can set user permissions on projects, workbooks, views and data source. In whichever level you want, you can go on, you can provide the permissions. Mobile. See and interact with the guys. Please go on mute. If you have no questions, please go on mute. Yes, good. Mobile. See and interact with the most up-to-date server content from anywhere in a browser on the Tableau mobile app. Once you publish, I can go and access using mobile. Also, you can access it. Of course, this facility is common. Most of the tools are providing nowadays. If you go for OBAW, also providing that kind of option. Okay. Now let us go and try to see the next one. Any questions on the Tableau server? No, right? Next one is available. What is this? Tableau Online. So as part of this Tableau Online, it's kind of what? Rent home. That property is not ours, but we'll use it.
So whoever like develop the project of the customer means he will have that infrastructure.
Correct, correct. So the server is nothing but our own property. I need to purchase the server, CPU, RAM, hard disk, everything I have to purchase, and I have to purchase the at a time. I have to pay the big amount, and I have to purchase the license of the Tableau server. Then I have to install and I have to manage here from my side only. Tomorrow Tableau server 10.2 to 10.3 is upgraded. Then I have to upgrade my software. If you go for the Tableau Online, what will happen? That guy will upgrade it. Upgrading, maintenance, hardware, everything will be taken care by Tableau if you go for the Tableau Online. Tableau server means everything you have to take care of it. It's kind of cloud, nothing but. Yeah. Now, Tableau Online is your analytics platform fully hosted in the cloud. Publish dashboards and share your discoveries with anyone. Invite your colleagues or customers to explore hidden opportunities with interactive visualizations and accurate data. All easily accessible from a browser or on the go using mobile. So that's it. These are the three main products what we have in the Tableau server. What are the three main products are available? Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online. If your role is a developer, then you have to go for this one. If your role is a server, then both you should have the awareness. If your role is a admin, then you need to know both the things. If your role is a developer, then you need to know desktop. If your role is a multitasking guy, then both you have to know it. We are going to explain both. We are going to explain. I am going to explain Tableau Desktop 100%, Tableau Server 100%, Tableau Online also 100%. Okay, right. We go for next point. Apart from these products, there are some small components are available. Small products are available. What are those? We'll see. These three are main products. Apart from these three things, some small things are available. What are those things is, if you go for your products, these three are main. Side what you have? More Tableau products. And the more Tableau products, what you are seeing here? Tableau Mobile. If you go to your Android phone, Google Play, in the Google Play Store, we can go and you can see this Tableau app. In iOS App Store, you can see this one, you can see it. Okay. Now that's what the Tableau Mobile. Tableau Mobile work On top of what? On top of Tableau desktop or on top of Tableau server? Exactly, on top of Tableau server. Tableau server information we are going to provide as input for the Tableau mobile. In the Tableau server, whatever available, those things we can access using Tableau mobile. Now, next is available. What is this? Public. In the name itself, something without license, I can go and I can use that one. That's what Tableau public, right? That is for our purpose, learner's purpose. It's not for implementation, but even implementation is not possible. If you see here, let me go and try to click on the Tableau public. What they are saying in the Tableau public, explore with the app, open data and explore it with Tableau desktop public edition, drag and drop, create stunning visualization with easy. Save to your profile. Save and store your visualizations on your Tableau public profile. You have to create one public profile, you have to create it by using your sign-in options are there. In that one you can store up to max of what? 10 GB of space. That means you cannot save our report into my hard disk. In my hard disk I cannot save it. I have to save where? In the Tableau guy only you have to save it. And share your visualizations with the world via social media or embed them on a site or blog. Your published widgets are always live and interactive. However, did you notice there one small point or not? What is this? We can work with the only what type of things? Databases? XLS and CSV, simply file formatted things. If I have the Oracle, I want to develop the report. Can I develop it? No. Even I can show it that I have it. If you see here, what is this? Tableau public. I am trying to open this Tableau public. Then once you open Tableau public, I have here connect. Connect to what? Excel, test file, these things okay. More if I am clicking. Do we have anything more? But if you go to the my VM, and here also I have the Tableau. If you see here, if you go and try to click on the more, how many things you are seeing it? What is this? What is that? This is Tableau desktop. That is Tableau public desktop. Small word is difference. This is what? Tableau desktop. What is that? Tableau public desktop. You can go and you can see help. There is a about Tableau. This is a Tableau desktop professional edition. And whereas if you go over there and that one help, about this one, it's showing as what? Tableau desktop. What type of edition it is? Public edition. That is it. Both are Tableau desktops only. It is public, that is professional. In the public, what is the limitation? Number one, files only we can access it. Number two, you cannot save into your own hard drive. In your own system, you cannot save. You have to save into public profiles only. You have to save it. Whereas in that one, what? I can save into my hard disk. I can go and I can save it. If you developed any one report is there here. Previously, you developed one report. This report, I can go to the file menu. I can save it on my desktop. Also, I can save it. I can save it. My desktop also I can save it. Am I able to save it or not? I can see here GG. I saved it. Somewhere you can see GG. But whereas if you go to the Tableau public, this is the Tableau public. Let's say I am trying to develop one small report using the Scott data. Let us say I am taking the EMP. Then go to the sheet 1. Then go to the sheet 1. We are trying to take a rename column. Then we are trying to take a salary column. We are trying to take a rename column and we are trying to take a salary column. Then this one I am trying to save here. Do we have option to save here my hard disk? What is saying? Save to Tableau public as. Save as nothing but. Do we have any option to save into my desktop? No. And here do we have server menu? Can you publish this one into my server? No. That means Tableau public has no connection with the server. No connection with the server. You cannot publish this into the server. These are the three main differences. What are the three main differences? We can use
No server access.
only files. Second is we can save only into the public profile. Third is we cannot publish into the server. These all three things we can do where? In our desktop professional edition. This is public, that is professional. Right. Now that point is clear. That's what here the more products we understand here. We understand here what is the meaning of Tableau public. Next is what? Embedded analytics. What do you mean by embedded analytics? What do you mean by embedded analytics? Right. If you go for, we have some website. Your own website is available. Let us say facebook.com. In that one, how many users are coming? What are they doing? You want to analyze it. You can go and you can integrate this analytics with your application. That's what called as embedded analytics. Fast to create, fast to market your product, powered by Tableau. Just for what is this? Social marketing purpose. This is useful. We'll try to talk more about this one later. Now, next, these are the products whatever we are seeing here. Anything else is available? Next is what? Pricing. Pricing is nothing but licensing costs. It is licensing cost. Tableau desktop, personal edition, what is that? Professional edition, what is that? And Tableau server, what is that? Tableau online, what is that? And it is everything is, it is per month basis. And but billing will be annual basis. Okay, and what is the meaning of that one is given here? That is the pricing. Okay, now if you go to your notes, we got the clarity on what you mean by Tableau public. And next is available here one thing, Tableau Reader. Is it available in our website? Then how I create? Did I create it? You're getting my point. Tableau Reader is not there in the website, but it's there in my notes. Did I create it? RRITEC created? No. Actually, in old versions, now they are not providing this one. In old versions, they used to provide it. What is the purpose of this one? We'll see it. Now it is not there, sir. Don't worry. What is the purpose of this one is? Tableau Reader is a free desktop application. What type of application? Desktop. What is the difference between desktop and web? Desktop means you have to install that product in our machine. Then only you can see it. Web means what? Nothing you need to install. Just type the URL and get it. That you can use to open and interact with data visualization built in the Tableau desktop. Just now you developed here. I developed here one thing, one report I developed, right? Just now I developed one report. This one, if I given to you, and we have the Tableau Reader, and we have the Tableau Reader, you can open this one and you can see what I did. Yeah, but if you want to open this one, what should be there? Tableau Reader should be there.
Even desktop is not there, but reader is there, then you can read.
Exactly. If desktop is not there, also Reader is available. You can go and you can see that one. Okay. Right. We can apply the filters. You can do the drill down, and you can discover your data how it is there. These all things can be possible. Nowadays, no one is using, but when it is really useful is you don't have the money to purchase the Tableau server. You don't want to go with the Tableau online also. You are doing some kind of RFP, request for proposal. RPOC, we are doing it in the beginning of the project. Then what you can do, we can develop 10 or 15 reports, you can develop it. And whoever is available, our decision makers, 2 or 3 members will be there, right? In that 3 systems, you can install the Tableau Reader. Hey sir, these are the 15 things, try to open and see it. Okay, how it will work, you can observe it. That's how you can provide it. That is the purpose. But nowadays, we are not using this one. The reason behind the server also you can install, we install here directly with 14 days of the license. How many days it will work? 14 days it is going to work. Okay, how to break that one, I'll tell you. How to break that 14 days license, I will tell you how to do it.
Here only visualizations coming there.
Yeah, only visualizations.
Means any interaction of that visualization.
Interaction is there. That's what the drilling, right?
Means it will accumulate some data. It will
Exactly.
find it have some.
Correct. We can drill it. Okay, and drilling has more capabilities also here. If you take your hire date, automatically what got? Hierarchy we got it. If you click on the year, quarter to month, like that we got. Okay, I will talk about that one later. Time being, now we are clear about what you mean by Tableau Reader. Next is what? Tableau Mobile. Tableau Mobile is the fastest, most delightful way to stay on top of your data on our tablet or phone. So whenever you want to analyze it, you need not open the system, switch on the system, nothing is required. Already we have in the mobile in our hand, we can go and we can play around it. That's what they are trying to provide you. Now, one more dedicated product they given, he has love more with the Apple products. That is the reason he given visible one product he given. It works only with what? iOS products. So if you go and try to see here, visible in the products, it's not there, but you can go and you can search here. Pizable. Okay, what is this? Download on the App Store. This is only for what? This product is only for what? Apple products only it is available. Apple products only it is available. Okay, it is a dedicated product to do more things with our reports. Of course, this is also going to work on top of again Tableau server. Okay, I think I am good. What are the things we learned? Let me. Sorry.
Mobile app. It will work only Tableau server or online also.
Both.
Yeah.
Mobile app will work on the Tableau server as well as Tableau online. Both it is going to work. Even we are going to learn that also in the live. Right. So what we learned, let us go and try to summarize. So we are trying to summarize it. You people are aware of it now. First point that is called as Tableau workflow. What is the Tableau workflow? What we are going to develop first? We are going to develop using the desktop. We are developing what we are developing. We are developing sheet. We are developing first. The sheet we are moving into where? A number of sheets are moving into the dashboard. We are moving it. These dashboards are moving into where? Story. We are moving it. In the story only dashboards are available or sheets also available? Sheets as well as dashboards both are available. Sheets as well as dashboards both are available. This total we are trying to publish into where you are trying to publish it, either server or what? Online. You can go and you can publish it. Either server or online. Whatever your customer has the budget. Based on the budget, we are going to take the decision. We need to go for the server or go for the online. That is cloud. This is our on premises, my own premises. Now, once you go for the server or online, what you can do, if a server is available with me, what I can do here, from here, what I can do, once it developed here, I am going to do what? I am going to publish that one. Once I publish that, I can access here. Once I access, what are the main things I can do it, sir? Content explore, I can do it. Content, what is this? Explore. Explore means all the things I can go and I can access it. Okay, with respect to the view, I can view it. With respect to the, what is that? I can interact it. Okay, I can go and I can do even creating the also I can do it. New thing. Even I can go and I can modify also I can do it. How to do that one I will talk about later. Desktop is not required. Directly I can create report where? In the server only can create, but with limited options. With limited options I have it. That means whatever flexibilities we have in the real desktop, that many things are not available here, but you can do it. Development directly you can do where? In the server itself you can do it. Web based you can do it. I'll show you how to do that one. With limited options. Okay, we are going to interact here full-fledgedly and we are going to create and modify with limited permissions, with limited options. I can say without, instead of permissions, I can say options. Okay, now we are also doing here not only content explore, we are also doing what? Security we are going to manage here. Security we are going to manage here. We are also going to do what? Scheduling we are going to do here. Scheduling we are going to do here. We are also going to do here projects we are going to manage it. What is projects we come to understand? What is the site we come to understand? These all things we are going to do inside the server. We are going to do it. If you try to open here server, let me open this the server page. What is this? Content. What is this? Users. What is this? Groups. What is this? This is what I was talking about, the scheduling. Okay, what is this? Different types of tasks I can observe it. Status, settings. The settings what is available? I can go and I can create what? Site. Inside the site what is available? Projects. We'll talk about those all things. This page you are learning, that's it, your server is completed. So that's what the meaning of the products which are available, in the Tableau. Next is what? Installation of your Tableau desktop. Installation of your Tableau desktop. Shall we do it or we'll do it tomorrow? We'll do it tomorrow? Okay. So sharp 8 o'clock you have to come, sir. We're going to start sharp 8. And today we learned about Tableau products and Tableau workflow. These are the two words we learned about. What we learned? Tableau products are what are the things, and Tableau workbooks what are the things we learned. Tomorrow we'll try to install the Tableau desktop. If time permits for you, any of your friend or your sister or your brother, anyone is studying any college, get the photo of that one. I want it. Not for my purpose, for your purpose only. You are getting my point? There is a one thing is available. What is this? 1 year license for students. We have it, right? Otherwise, you are going to get only what? 14 days you are going to get it. From any of your friend or sister or brother or whoever is available around you, college students are not a schoolboy. Okay, college students, anyone is available, get that ID card. No background verification will happen. Don't worry. Just as a formality they are asking, we are giving as a formality. If you have the skill of any fake, that also okay. Okay, but okay, get one ID card so that tomorrow we are going to enable for one year license. In my case, already I enabled it. That is the reason. If you see in my case, if you go and try to observe help, there is an option called as what? Manage product keys. What is the license expiry date, sir? 3/22/2018. So up to 1 year I am happy. At the moment I'll see one more ID card. Okay, right. Am I clear, folks?
Crystal clear.
Yeah. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet same time. Bye bye.
Hello, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, Jagan.
Sir, it has already been installed in VMware for us also, but that has been expired, sir. So that the same thing we can reactivate by using the ID card.
That's right.
I mean the same one.
We can reactivate this one, or you can go further uninstall, or you can install it. No problem. Only the Tableau desktop only how to uninstall and install, right? Database, everything will be there. The VM.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet same time. Bye bye. By tomorrow I am expecting these notes, whatever I am following, right? That notes also should be in your hand, so that you can follow me very well. Because tomorrow onwards, even navigations are starting here. If navigations are starting, if you have this material with you, then you can follow very well. Am I clear? Till today, everything is 3 points. Tomorrow onwards, some navigations are going on here. To understand these navigations, this note should be available with you. Please coordinate with HR and register quickly and try to get this material. Thank you. Bye-bye.